So these windshield wiper spray units are a little bit tough to get out. They are just clipped in on the front and the back, as you can see here. I'm reinstalling these now, so they just kind of pop in. Generally what happens when you use a 6mm socket from the back side is it tends to pop up like this. Not that far though, and then you just kind of got to wiggle out the front side here. And this is the part you're pulling out. Whoops. So it just kind of is a pressure fit. So you got to kind of get it on there, and then with a screwdriver around the edges, pop it back in here once you're reinstalling.